how to use pro features of CapCut for completely free. And yep, this process is legit and do not involve any hacks or third-party softwares. So what you need to do is select all the clips in your timeline, right-click and click on Create Compound Clip. Once created, again right-click on a video, then click on Pre-Process Compound Clip. Now wait for at least couple of seconds. And here's the final video. Now in the top right corner, look for the path and open whatever the path it is showing in your case. Once opened, click on Resources, then Combination, and here you'll find the compound clip that you just created. Now simply drag and drop this compound clip into your CapCut. Then delete the original file from your timeline and add the newly compounded clip. And now I'm able to export this video in whatever the resolution I want. If you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe.